So let's see, while that's running, let's see what's happening in the back end. So it ingested the document and then gathered relevant chunks out of the document based on my question. So this is the full prompt that was fed into the LLM. So it didn't push the full text from the document because again that's very inefficient. So by using this activity, I was able to get the relevant chunks and use that in the LLM and get the output from the LLM. And this is what the output looks like. So I asked it to summarize. So this is the summary. I parse the JSON output. So the JSON output looks like this. So like this. So this is the JSON output based on my instructions and the different deliverables